Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to open the Xbox 360 controller without the little Torque 9's wrench, or that thing is called. This is just a wrench. Look at, it's not that weird wrench you buy at the internet. This is something you find at home every day, but it has to be pretty thin. I don't know what the width and what it's called, but I just found it at home. But it seems to make it right through the little stars right here. Here, let me show you. And as you can see, the screws aren't already taken out. It's in there. Sorry. I got the first screw out. Nothing. There we go. Alright, I finally got all of them out now. Everything is a little loose. There you go, and now there we go. And then there you go, you open the 360 controller. And if you're doing things like to get the mod or whatever, before you take it apart, if you take it apart from this side, make sure get a piece of tape and tape all these together so they don't fall off. Because it took me a while to get one. I almost lost one too. But there you go, and that's how you take it apart. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.